Now we have to start potential energy in linear SHM. Now here we know F is equal to minus Kx. This formula we learn in the first lecture of this chapter. Now here work done to move an object, work done to displace object is given by formula. This work done is equal to this force into displacement. I consider displacement dx. I am considering work done to displace an object with a distance dx. So smaller work done. This dw is equal to f into kx. Sorry, f into dx. So minus sign. So why minus sign? Negative sign is because this work is done against this restoring force. So here minus sign. Now after that I can substitute this value of f. So minus and this minus kx into this dx. Minus minus plus. So kx dx is this work done for smaller displacement dx. But here the total displacement is x. So we have to find out total work done. So work done, total work done is given by integration of this smaller work done. So this kx dx. K is a constant, integration of x dx is coming x square by 2. So we get a formula 1 by 2 kx square. This is the work done. And this work done is nothing but the potential energy. So this work done is potential energy. Hence I can write potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 kx square. This is expression for potential energy. Also just we learn formula, but k is equal to m omega square. This formula you know. Now let us substitute k as a m omega square. Then we get potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square x square. This is also expression for potential energy. Now let me learn two cases of the potential energy. Case 1, at mean, you know that at mean x is 0, so potential energy is coming 0, because as we substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in this formula, then potential energy is coming 0. Now case 2, at extreme x is equal to a. So potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square. Instead of x I substitute a. So we get here potential energy as a 1 by 2 m omega square a square. Now we can draw a graph also. Just in the previous article also we draw a graph of displacement versus this energy. Now, so on energy axis, maximum potential energy is 1 by 2 m omega square, and it is at extreme. So this is extreme, x is equal to minus a, and this is also extreme, x is equal to plus a. And this is the displacement here 0, because this is the mean position. So at mean it is 0, so potential energy is coming 0. And maximum value of the energy, I consider this is the maximum value. And maximum value is, here it is coming potential energy 1 by 2 m omega square a square. So this is maximum value at extreme. Here also maximum value 1 by 2 m omega square a square. Now we get this type of graph then. So this is a graph of potential energy. I hope everyone understood how we get this article. Simple integration we use here. And those who don't have mathematics, they can remember integration of x dx is x square by 2. Then after that, total energy also we have to obtain. Now, total energy in SHM is addition of kinetic energy and potential energy. So next one is total energy. Third, total energy. So total energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy we obtain, it is 1 by 2 m omega square in a bracket a square minus x square, plus potential energy is this, in term of m omega square I substitute 1 by 2 m omega square x square. Now we can take 1 by 2 m omega square common from both. 1 by 2 m omega square is common, then a square minus x square plus x square. Now this minus x square plus x square get cancelled and we get total energy is 1 by 2 m omega square a square. So this is expression for total energy. And you know that total energy is constant. So this is total energy. Now after that total energy, we can draw a graph of total energy, kinetic energy, potential energy with displacement. Now you can see this graph here. Let me do the modification here. This is potential energy graph. Now kinetic energy, in a previous article we draw, kinetic energy is 0 at extreme and maximum at this mean position. So this is a kinetic energy graph. So let I name this. This is a potential energy graph, PE I write here, potential energy. So this is kinetic energy graph, KE, kinetic energy. Okay. Now after that total energy, what about total energy? Total energy is 1 by 2 m omega square a square everywhere, or in term of K, if you want to write it, you can write it 1 by 2 K a square. So this is a total energy. Now it is constant, total energy is constant. So this is a total energy graph. This is total energy graph, and total energy is, so this is total energy, which is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square. Kinetic energy, potential energy, total energy. Now at this point, this kinetic energy and potential energy lines intersect. It means that at this point both kinetic energy and potential energy are equal. So that displacement also we can find out. Also you can remember, at extreme position, at extreme the potential energy and total energy both are same. You can see the potential energy formula and total energy formula, they are same. Okay. So at extreme potential and total same, at mean kinetic energy equal to total energy. Similarly, we can obtain here a displacement. If the question is asked, at what displacement kinetic energy and potential energy are same, then we can find out the answer of this. So given condition is kinetic energy is equal to potential energy, we can substitute the formulas of both m omega square a square minus x square. You can substitute formula in term of K also. Kinetic energy is 1 by 2 m omega square x square. This is the potential energy. Then this m omega square get cancelled. So a square minus x square is equal to x square. This minus x square we can shift to that side. A square is 2x square, then this minus x square plus x square. X square plus x square, 2x square. Then I can write x square is equal to, I can shift 2 to this side, a square by 2. So x I can write a by root 2. So this a by root 2 is x. I hope this is visible. This is visible. So at this displacement, x is equal to a by root 2. Both kinetic energy and potential energies are same. So here also, this is x is equal to a by root 2. Question may be asked in MCQ or in short question, at what displacement kinetic energy and potential energy both are same. In previous board examination already question is asked, as well as question may be modified like this, at what displacement kinetic energy is equal to half of potential energy. Only half you have to take it extra here and you have to solve to get x is equal to how much. So in this, we finish kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy here. That's it in this session. Thank you.